Making a start with my brand new heart. Stop me making sounds once again.